In today's slate of government agencies having their proposed budget allocations looked at and hopefully approved, the PNP received support for more money for intelligence funds to bolster its crusade versus POGOs, while the DENR and National Irrigation Administration's budget proposals received greater scrutiny, inquiry, and even pushback. Our Daniel Manalastas has more.
A senator wants more intel funds for the Philippine National Police in light of their fight against POGOs. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian explained the importance of the PNP receiving financial support. The Senate is continuing its budget deliberations. One of the proposed budget allocations taken up was the DENR's. Senator Risa Hontiveros inquired about the Socorro Bayanihan services. And who would forget Senyor Aguila?
Nabalita na earlier this year ay nakansela na ang pakbarma ng SBSI at inutusang isarado. Ano na pong mangyayari sa mga taga-SBSI?
Yung motion for reconsideration were all denied and they are doing a relocation.
Meanwhile, Senator Raffy Tulfo raised during the matter of alleged idle funds of the National Irrigation Administration during the budget deliberations.
Bakit humihingi ng 261 million kada taon ang NIA para sa maintenance nitong bulok na structure na ito?
I think the amount is being requested for more extensive restructuring, feasibility studies.
For now, Senate President Francis Escudero got the letter from Malacanang certifying the 2025 proposed budget as urgent. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.